Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Chris Mazzarella and you're watching No Reserve Classics. And before we get started, guys, if you haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video. And here we have a 1968 Ford Mustang Coyote 5-liter Pro-Touring Fastback. You heard me right, a real deal 1968 Fastback with an included Marti Report. This is not a kit car, and it was originally built from the factory as a two-door Mustang Fastback. It does include over 90 photos of the complete frame-off restoration from beginning to end. And it's been fully documented with a 3-inch binder of documentation and receipts. You might recall this second-generation Mustang from the extremely famous Warner Brothers movie, Bullitt, starring Steve McQueen. But make no mistake, this is not your father's old carbureted 4-speed 390 big block Mustang. Powered by a Ford Performance Gen 2 5-liter Coyote Crate Engine and paired up with a TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission and proven 4 9-inch rear end. This is one Mustang not to be reckoned with. The outside is styled with the original color of Wimbledon white and a full steel Shelby hood. Keeping this classic planted to the road are the staggered custom American Racing Equipment VN427 Shelby wheels, with a massive 295mm rear Nitto NT05 tires paired up with Wilwood disc brakes. The full interior has been upgraded with Sierra grain red leather and has been completely restored from the front to the back, top and bottom. And of course, we didn't leave out the modern amenities such as air conditioning, power steering, and even a factory-styled OEM-looking radio with AM, FM, and auxiliary. But where this Mustang really outperforms the rest is the solid and stout underbody, with Mustangs To Fear front independent suspension, front subframe, frame stiffeners, QA1 coilovers all the way around, and even a Mustangs To Fear knockdown 4-link system. This is the true definition of a classic-style 1968 Mustang paired up with the reliability and performance of the 21st century. And for your added convenience, we broke this video up into a few different sections. So if you wanted to, you could fast forward to your favorite part. Now I know you can't be with me here today on this beautiful turntable, but if you visit us at No Reserve Classics, you'll be able to take this ride along with our other rides for a virtual 360-degree tour. That's right, with a simple swipe of a finger, you'll be able to view the beautiful exterior. And after you're done with that, click on the top left-hand corner so you can get a virtual 360-degree tour of the full interior. We here at No Reserve Classics own all of our inventory and wouldn't ask you to invest your money if we didn't either. With that being said, this vehicle is not a consignment vehicle. So if you have any questions on how to get this car into your garage, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815, and I'll be sure to guide you through the full process. If you take a glimpse at our Marti Report for this original Fastback Mustang, you will notice the 7341 Wimbledon white paint is still a current color on this Mustang. On the front end, we have installed our resto-modded LED split headlight design with a daytime running light in the center, giving it a modern twist. It is also paired up with working yellow factory grille fog lights installed in the factory grille. As our eyes scroll down the sidelines, you can notice how consistent the body lines are. Remember, this Mustang is over 54 years old, but it has been frame-off restored. The doors and even the trunk might have the nicest closing doors we've ever touched. Since it was a frame-off restoration, as opposed to an actual 54-year-old car, you are surrounded by solidarity. Not only that can be seen, but can be felt as well. When you're scrolling down the straight body lines, you'll notice those 18-inch staggered custom American Racing Equipment VN427 Shelby wheels. They have been finished with a polished lip and a gray face. They are wrapped in Nitto NT05 tires with a 235/40 up front and a massive 295/35 18-inch rear tire. And if that isn't enough, this Mustang does have a Mustangs To Fear mini tub kit already installed. If you're able to get a glimpse behind those new wheels, you'll notice those gloss black Wilwood calipers along with the Wilwood drilled and slotted rotors, giving you ample stopping power. And lastly, as soon as this passes you by, the last thing you're going to notice is that concave rear taillights and the awesome sounding Flowmaster exhaust coming out of those chrome dual tips. As we easily open the door, you'll notice the fully restored factory-styled OEM Deluxe Interior. The front seats have been fully replaced with TMI Sport 2 seating, giving it a high bolster and high comfort. The rear seats have been reupholstered and refoamed with TMI leather in the same Sierra grain red color. If you need just a little bit of added space, simply fold down the rear folding seat and slide your golf clubs in. The front seats have a new Retrobelt 3-point seatbelt harness, and the rears also have new Retrobelt rear lap belts. This vehicle features new door panels, Mustangs To Fear one-piece headliner with built-in map lights, a new ACP center console, a new Hurst shifter, and even new carpet and floor mats. Adding another touch of adjustability is the tilt column with the beautiful 16-inch wood grain 3-spoke steering wheel. The dash has also been replaced, and the gauge cluster has been upgraded with yellow Classic Instruments Autocross Gauges. This Mustang even has a factory-styled custom auto sound radio with not only a hidden auxiliary jack with storage, but a hideaway AM/FM radio. And last but definitely not least, this Mustang has the added amenity of vintage air conditioning and heating as well. So no matter if you're driving this Mustang in the treacherous heat of South California or in the brick ice cold days of Chicago, this is one Mustang you'll be able to drive comfortably no matter where you live. Now remember, this Mustang has been restored from top to bottom and front to back, showcasing only 1,470 miles since its restoration. As we peel back the steel Shelby hood, you are greeted with one of the cleanest engine bays money can buy. The attention to detail and craftsmanship gives the appearance that this Coyote motor came installed from the factory. This is a huge undertaking that is usually overlooked with such a clean design. It is a process that takes hundreds of man-hours to complete, and that doesn't include the tens of thousands of dollars in components, such as the Mustangs To Fear subframe and bodywork it takes to fit this properly. Now this is a Gen 2 5-liter Coyote Crate engine that is paired up with a Ford Performance TKO 600 5-speed manual transmission. What does that mean, you may ask? This means you could pretty much have this Mustang serviced at any Ford dealership or even your local mechanic, so no need for a carburetor specialist. On the front of the motor, you'll notice the turnkey Roadrunner serpentine system that is paired with a vintage air front runner air conditioning system and their Coyote power steering system. Matching that Ford theme is all the Ford OEM wire harnesses throughout the engine bay that you do not notice, since it has been meticulously wire tucked. Matching the performance of this Coyote motor and giving you a quicker shifting response and feel is the center force friction clutch and the McLeod hydraulic clutch conversion. Last but not least, keeping this Coyote cool and allowing those components to perform at their peak is the custom satin black air induction system, sucking up all that cold air, and that dual aluminum core radiator with dual electric fans. Overall, an elegantly styled engine compartment that could question why every Mustang doesn't look like this. You can really tell all the time, dedication, and love that was put into such a work of art. As our eyes feast upon the solid and stout underbody of this Coyote, it resembles the appearance of a toy car. From the front to the back, this Mustang has been fully coated with ceramic rock protection coating. Starting off in the front end of this vehicle, you'll notice the Mustangs To Fear full frame kit. With such an upgrade to a classic vehicle, you'll have the modern performance accessories that come with it, such as tubular upper and lower control arms, power rack and pinion steering, and QA1 adjustable coilovers that not only let you set the right ride height, but the shock dampness as well. A heavy-duty strut bar will hold you in during those tight turns, and the added convenience of welded frame connectors are attached to what was once a leaf spring suspension. The welded Mustangs To Fear 4-link system not only include all-star strut performance bars, but also the added convenience of QA1 fully adjustable coilovers. It is also fully welded to the built Ford 9-inch rear end that is connected to a custom drive shaft running through its transmission. The stainless steel exhaust system sounds magnificent coming through the Mustangs To Fear headers and out through the Flowmaster exhaust and through those dual chrome tips. All the fuel lines are brand new, as well as the stainless steel braided brake lines and newly installed stainless steel braided brake hoses. All those items paired up and are working as a team. They really give you the advantage on the road, not only with strength and rigidness, but it allows you to take turns more confidently and give you a better sense of what it truly feels like to own a pro touring piece of American history. Now remember, this is a 54-year-old classic that can not only keep up with some modern day sports cars, but outperform some of them as well. Overall, a solid work of art that any car builder or enthusiast would be proud to put on their 4-post lift. And guys, I'm Chris Mazzarella, and you've been watching No Reserve Classics. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, Chris, at 1-800-562-7815. And if you guys haven't done it already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know, your dream ride could be in the next video.